Have you ever seen an American making this gesture? آیا هرگیز کسی ئەمریکیت بینووە کە ئەم کردارە ئەکات؟ This kind of action has a very serious meaning. ئەم کردارە مانایەکی زۆر جدی هەیە. But what if someone is doing this to you, but you don't know what it means? Don't worry, today I'm going to explain to you the meaning of this action in American body language. Ba dest pê bikên? Let's get started. Imagine that you are in a group of friends and you are talking. Maybe you are telling a story. Suddenly, one of your friends does this action. لپردا یەکێک لە هاوڕەکانت ئەم کردارە ئەکات. If your friend does this, it means stop talking now. ئەم کردارە واتە بێدەنگ بە، قسە مەکە، عەیبە، بۆستە، بەسە. Maybe something you are talking about is supposed to be a secret, شتێکی نهێنی. Or maybe you said something embarrassing, شتێکی شەرمەزاری. Or maybe you are just talking too much. Do you ever talk too much when you are feeling nervous? Sometimes I do this. But in any situation, if someone does this to you, it means stop talking immediately. Remember that around 75% of communication between two people is body language. بالا بیرت نچێت لە دەوری لە سە هەفتە و پێنج تێگەیشتن لە نێوان دوو کەسدا زمانی جەستەیە. So it's important that you learn these parts of American body language so that you can understand and communicate clearly. So, this gesture means stop talking. But watch out, agadarba. This gesture means something different. It means I'm going to kill you. If it's the whole hand, palm down, and someone is doing this, it means be quiet. But if the gesture is only one finger slowly moving across the throat, that means you are in danger. That is a threatening action. ئەوە کردارێکی هەرشەکردنە. So, this means I'm going to kill you, and this means stop talking now. Make sure that you don't get these two actions confused. And if someone does this one, then run away or call the asaish. Do you see how important it is that you understand body language? Understanding the difference between these two actions could save your life. آیا ئەبینیت کە ئەوە چەند گرینگە کە زمانی جەستەی تێئەگەیت؟ ئەگەر جیاوازی ئەم دوو کردارانە تێبگەیت، لەوانەیە ژیانت نەجات بێت. Ustaz, if this information was helpful for you, then please press that subscribe button. ئەگەر ئەم زانیاریە باسوود بوو بێت بۆ تۆ، تکایە پەنجە بنێ بە دوگمەی subscribe. ممنونتم ئوستاز گیان. Until tomorrow, هەتا سبەینێ، خواحافیز.